Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is KABUGO Peter. When you always come to this channel, expect everything, expect good thing. Here is where we learn Luganda from. And for your information, if you want to learn Luganda easily, just hit the subscribe button down here and you get everything whenever I upload my new videos. It is going to help you to learn Luganda easily. It is going to help you how to know everything. But as you know, in our life, everyone, with time, you came and fall into love. So now, today I'm going to learn romantic phrases. How to say those romantic phrases in Luganda. It is so fun and so exciting that you're going to learn how to be in love in Uganda. Okay, so before we continue, click on the subscribe button there and you share, and if you feel like I've missed anything out, you can put your question in the comment below. Okay, so I'm going to start with the statement saying, you are beautiful. You are beautiful. We say oli mulungi. Oli mulungi. You are beautiful. Oli mulungi. You are my heart. You are my heart. Oli mutima gwange. You are my heart. Oli mutima gwange. Will you marry me? Will you marry me? Ononfumbirwa. Will you marry me? Ononfumbirwa. That is for when it is a man saying it to a lady. But if it is a woman saying it or telling a man, still in Uganda it is, will you marry me? Ononfumbirwa. That is for a man. For a woman, will you marry me? Onompasa. Onompasa. That is a lady asking a man to marry her. Okay? I love you. I love you. Nkwagala. I love you. Nkwagala. I love you a lot. I love you a lot. Nkwagala nnyo. I love you a lot. Nkwagala nnyo. I want to grow old with you. Njagala kukaddiwa naawe. I want to grow old with you. Njagala kukaddiwa naawe. You make me happy. You make me happy. Onsanyusa. Onsanyusa. I want to hug you. I want to hug you. Njagala kugwa mu kifuba. I want to hug you. Njagala kugwa mu kifuba. May I hug you? May I hug you? Nkugweko mu kifuba. May I hug you? Nkugweko mu kifuba. I love your lips. I love your lips. Njagala emimwajo. I love your lips. Njagala emimwajo. And so many others you can find which are romantic. So if you want to know how to be romantic in Uganda or in Buganda, just put your comment with your statement in any language. I will change it to you into Luganda, whereby you know how to be romantic in Luganda. So that is for today's video, but I always upload videos every after 2 weeks, so don't dare miss by hitting the subscribe button and you click on the bell and then you select all notifications, whereby you will get each and every information or video I upload. My name is KABUGO Peter. Keep on watching. I love you.